What if your office wasn't a cubicle, but a beach in Bali, a cafe in Lisbon, or a mountain cabin in Georgia? And what if you could legally live there for months or years, not as a tourist, but as a recognized remote worker earning income from anywhere in the world? By 2026, over 60 countries now offer digital nomad visas. And they're not just for Instagram influencers. They're strategic pathways for location-independent professionals who want stability, tax efficiency, and real cultural immersion without the legal gray zones. The era of visa runs and overstaying tourist stamps is fading. Governments have realized that remote workers aren't a threat, they're an economic opportunity. Digital nomads spend locally on housing, food, co-working spaces, and services, all while paying little to no income tax. Countries like Portugal, Croatia, Costa Rica, Thailand, and even emerging destinations like Albania and Namibia are actively competing for this new class of high-value, low-impact residents. But not all nomad visas are equal. Some, like Portugal's D8 or Spain's recently launched digital nomad visa, offer near-full residency rights, access to public health care, and a potential path to long-term EU citizenship. Others, like Bali's new second home visa, blend tourism with semi-permanent stay, ideal for those seeking tropical affordability with legal clarity. Meanwhile, Georgia and Mexico provide fast, low-cost entry with minimal bureaucracy, perfect for testing the nomad life before committing long-term. The key to unlocking these pathways isn't just filling out forms. It's understanding the three pillars of eligibility. 1. Proof of stable remote income. 2. Health insurance valid in the destination. And 3. A clean criminal record. Many visas also require bank statements, employment contracts, or client invoices, so documentation matters more than passport stamps. But here's the strategic edge most miss: tax residency. Just because you're living in Thailand doesn't mean you owe Thai income tax. If your income is foreign-sourced, you may pay $0 locally. However, your home country might still claim you as a tax resident. That's why forward-thinking nomads use visa pathways not just for lifestyle, but as part of a broader Geoarbitrage strategy, earning in strong currencies while living in lower-cost economies, all while staying compliant. And in 2026, AI tools are making this easier than ever. Platforms like NomadX or VisaBot AI can auto-generate visa checklists based on your nationality and income. Others help you compare healthcare plans, estimate cost of living, or even draft the required proof of remote work letters in minutes. The barrier isn't technical, it's awareness. Still, caution is vital. Some visas forbid local employment or require you to leave after 12 months with no renewal. Others, like the UAE's Golden Visa, demand much higher income thresholds but offer unparalleled global mobility. Research is non-negotiable. The bottom line: the world is opening its doors to remote workers, but only if you play by the rules. The digital nomad visa isn't an escape hatch. It's a bridge to a more intentional, globally fluid life. If you're serious about designing your life beyond borders, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 100x Wealth. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos on AI-powered global mobility, Web3 economies, and smart strategies to build wealth, freedom, and impact anywhere on Earth. The future isn't tied to a zip code. It's yours to claim.